This question says the force acting on a body moving along x-axis varies with the position of the particle as shown in the figure. The body is in stable equilibrium at. Now what all things we should know? What is stable equilibrium? So what is stable equilibrium? Let's try to understand that. So what is stable equilibrium position? So if it is a stable equilibrium position, first thing, for any equilibrium f should be equal to 0. That's first condition. And if disturbed from that point, it should return back, return to same point, right? That's what is stable equilibrium. So under what condition this would be satisfied? If an object is moving away, then the force should be negative, right? Or if the object is moving closer, force should be positive. That means if force and direction of motion are opposite to each other at that particular point, then what would happen? Then that position would be stable equilibrium position. Now in this graph we can say x1 equal to x1 force is 0, x2 also force is 0. So this is also equilibrium position, this is also equilibrium position. Now if object moves from x1 forward, we see force is also positive. So if force is positive, what will happen? Force and position, motion are in same direction. So if force and motion are in same direction, then the object cannot return to x1. So I can say x1 is a position of unstable equilibrium, right? Or it is definitely not stable equilibrium. Now let's look at x2. Now when at x2, if it starts moving forward, the force is coming down. That means force is negative. If force is negative, what is happening? The force is trying to push it back. So because the force is trying to push it back, at x2 there is the object would return back if it crosses x2. So x2 is a position of stable equilibrium. Hence the answer for this question would be x2. So that is x equal to x2, option B. So option B is the right answer. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.